Chapter 14. Present Tense. The tense of a verb shows the time of an action or event. The present tense refers to the action or event that takes place or is taking place in the present. It represents the current activity or the present state of being of the subject in the given context. For example, Ram goes to school. Nikhat is playing in the park. Types of present tense: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to express what is actually taking place at the present moment. See how it rains. To express a habitual action, he gets up every day at 6 o'clock. To express general truths, the sun rises in the east. In vivid narrative as a substitute for the past tense, immediately the Sultan hurries to his capital. This is called the historic present. Simple present tense. Affirmative, she drinks. Negative, she does not drink. Interrogative, does she drink? Form: I, you, we, they play. He, she, it plays. Uses: action in the present taking place once, never, or several times. Actions taking place one after another. Actions set by a timetable or schedule. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense represents an action going on at the time of speaking. Shweta is singing. The schoolboys are playing football. I am opening the door. The present continuous tense also refers to activities planned for the future. Rohan is traveling to England on the 10th of next month. The present continuous tense is used to emphasize something that is being done again and again. You are always discussing something or another. When is not used with this tense unless it refers to immediate future. When are you going to school? Certain verbs are practically never used in the present continuous tense. These are mainly verbs of condition or behavior, not strictly under human control. Consequently, actions that go on whether we like it or not. I see a man outside. He's looking at me. Present continuous tense. Affirmative: he is reading. Negative: he is not reading. Interrogative: is he reading? Form: to be in the simple present plus verb plus ing. Uses: action taking place at the moment of speaking. Action arranged for the future. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense denotes an action that has just been completed. I have written my essay. He has worked out at the sum. The present perfect tense is also used instead of the past tense to represent a past action as continuing to the present. We have lived here for 10 years and we are still living here. The present perfect tense also denotes an action whose exact time of completion is not important. Shivam and Tanya have seen that film. Present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense denotes an action that started in the past, continues into the present, and may potentially continue into the future. I have been reading. It has been raining. We use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about action that started in the past and stopped recently. There is usually a result now. I am tired because I have been running. We use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about action that started in the past and is continuing now. This is often used with for or since. We have been studying since 9 o'clock. We are still studying now. We often use for and since with perfect tense. We use for to talk about a period of time, 3 hours, 2 months, 1 decade. And we use since to talk about a point in past time, 9 o'clock, 1st January, Monday. I have been watching TV for 3 hours. Sarah has not been visiting us since March. Present perfect tense. Affirmative. They have slept. Negative. They have not slept. Interrogative. Have they slept? Form. Have or has plus past participle of main verb. Uses. Emphasis on the result. Action that started in the past and is still going on. Action that stopped recently.